and today I am sharing fourth part of Parth Formula of Success. The fourth letter in the word Parth, if you say, is T. I say most importantly, T stands for time, because you can almost say time management is life management. What you need to manage is your time. 24 hours is a fixed thing to anybody and everybody, anywhere in the world, any caste, color, creed. So, what best to create out of those 24 hours is the challenge. And to take up that challenge, clarity of mind is required. Prioritizing things correctly is the key part. What is important at which stage, the more clarity you have, the more effective you will be in your life. There is a beautiful quote on time which says, man says time passes, and time, in the sense of kal, time says man passes. So earlier we realized the importance of time, the better for us. There is a standard quote, time is money. I say it's wrong. Time is much more than money, because money comes, goes, you can get it back. But time once gone, it's gone. There is no question of repentance. So the more you are aware of it and the better you understand it, the higher you will reach. There are many ways of time management. This is not a time for talk about that, but with my experience, I can say Stephen Covey's method of time management based on awareness is one of the best I have seen. Then secondly, I say T stands for team, TEAM. This is another interesting acronym in itself. T for together, E for everyone, A for achieves, M for more. Together everyone achieves more. So the basic point is togetherness. Togetherness needs to be created. And to create togetherness, trust is required. We need to respect each other's differences, everyone's strengths, accept his weaknesses, and then form a beautiful team. A great Hindi movie, Lagan, is one of the best examples is what are the principles of forming a great team. So T for team, togetherness we need to understand. And as I see, this is one of the biggest problems in the world today, that big people, actually very responsible people, are not realizing that we are finally together, we are interconnected. Earlier we realized it, better for all of us. Then T stands for truth. Truth is the final liberator. If you expect to reach the highest levels of consciousness, truth is the way. India, the slogan is Satyameva Jayate. Truth only wins. Seeing things around, we seem to doubt that this is not supposed to be happening. It's not really like that. It's a deeper issue. But what I can say is, truth is the liberator. The way of truth may be a little long, but that is what is ultimately satisfying. So you need to be committed to that. And for that, we say satsang, being in company with people who are committed to truth. That is what is important, because what kind of company you are opting, those kind of vibes you will get. And lastly, I say T stands for training. Openness of mind to get trained in different skills is very, very important. In fact, this is nothing great, but many people lack this because unfortunately their ego says, I know. And when a person says, I know, the possibility of training is eliminated. In one of the Upanishads, there is a very beautiful quote. A person who says, I know, doesn't know. A person who says, I don't know, really knows. So there are a lot of things which need to be learned. We need to get trained in that respect. And that openness of training is important. There are many trainers in different skills available, but you need to connect with them. Now in internet there are great possibilities in this sector, but you need to connect it at right places, and then even sky will not be the limit. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Manoj Gokhale from Parth Yuva Gurukul.